You're so cute. Today's February 1st, so happy February! Oh my god, it's one of my favorite months. I love February. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello? Are you there? Ooh. Oh my god. I think I had like a little heart attack when you guys fell. Are you okay? Okay, so it's now like about 1 o'clock. Like it is 1 o'clock, I think. And I just finished like this part of my room. Like that part. And I did not get to that shelf. So that will be next week. Hi guys! Okay, good morning. Today is Friday and yeah, we're just going to school. We're just backing up right now. Like the roads are just so scary during these days. It looks like that. So yeah, it's snowing. I don't know if you can see it, but it's snowing and it's pretty slippery, but it's not that bad. Oh my god. It's snowing so bad. Yeah, anyways, I made it to the parking lot. Oh my god, you guys, like I almost hit my sister's car because she was driving like just in front of me. Like we both left at the same time, so she was driving like right in front of me, and I was pressing on my brake and I didn't realize like I was that close to her. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm back outside because I'm gonna go to the main building. Like it's a whole nother building. And I'm gonna get food with Atapao because mom didn't cook anything this morning and we're like super hungry, so we're gonna get Panago. Hi, Atapao. This is so good. Wow, yaman. Danica. Shivneet.
I don't know what she's videoing. Are you vlogging?
A little bit.
YouTube?
Not really.
Hi, Mrs. Veloso. Hello.
Oh my god. Like how can I get through there? I like can barely get into my car. Like it's so tiny. Hi guys, okay, so I finished wiping away all the snow that's on my window and I'm gonna go pick up my friends and then we'll probably hang out.
Sa akin diba yung silver na silver yung pinakauna? Kailangan pa siyang ako pag hindi ako nag-purple shampoo talaga mag-orange pero talaga
Hindi din.
ano kung pwedeng i-style na ganun?
Starch din. Kailangan magkapantay ang starch. Bacon strips?
Ano?
Scrambled egg?
Apo. Pancake. Saka po, yung jam na naka-display, di ba? Sabi nila, can I get this? Ginagano niya, can I get that? Sabi ko, oh, that's for 25 cents.
It's 6.
Ilan yan?
Oh, hati-hati ah, hating kapatid ah. Oo nga po.
Fluffy na fluffy siya.
Bye-bye po.
I think so.
Bakit kanila di ba?
Baka kasama sila.
Si Jin din. O, bastos! Parang ang tanga na. Nakain kami ng kain sa restaurant na sinisigyan sa akin for 8
Hi! Okay, so I'm on my way home because everyone is just at home. So I guess I should do that as well. But yeah, anyways, it's still super scary to drive outside. Like, I don't know if you guys could even see anything. Like, it's still snowing and the roads are crazy slippery. Like, I know I'm so far away from the car.
Pero mo 80 na nga ngayon, kanina 16 lang to eh.
Guys, our heater is broken. Yeah, so my mom's like all bundled up. Look at her. Look at her. It's not even that cold.
Hi. Hi, Chu.
Yan siya.
Mami, sinabi ko din naman yun. Sabi ko, Mika, kaya nga kinonfiscate. For a reason. Ayan, guys. Our heater is broken. Well, our furnace, I guess. Mami! Oh my God, kanina 18. Guys, it's getting cold. Mami, yung susi ko, please. I like, kahawa ko lang siya kanina, kauuwi ko lang, hindi ko na alam gusto ko nilapag. Baka mami kinain niya.
Make Kevin, please. Naman.
Bakit?
I can find me some palok. Oh, there you go.
Yuck! Mami, kainin natin yung mga banana. Alam mo yung matamis? Yung tinitipid mo. Ayoko, hindi ko matigilan yun. Kinakain ko na nga din yung papel. Hindi nga. Ang sarap kaya.
Lagi kayo humihingi yun. Tapos pag binigyan mo ng isa, ay hindi pa.
We have like weird things here. Ang daming food. Yes! Ew, dilang ka! Oh, ito! Alam ko meron ako nito. Hindi ko alam if I like it. So, I parked my car here. It's all plugged in and everything. And like, now, I have to move it there. Kailangan ko siyang i-move over there. Ugh, so cold. I should probably be using my mittens, right? Okay, we're done. I'm just gonna plug it in quickly. I'm gonna leave my drink over here for now. And then we'll oh my god, where's the plug? Is that it? Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my god, so it's getting really cold. Like, I know I'm wearing a tank top and I should be wearing like a sweater or something, but like usually this is what I wear. This is what I wear, and I'm usually sweating inside of the house. Get a sweater, and let's get a sweater. It is way too cold. I am cold. Yeah, they're working on it now. The guy's still here. And yeah, I don't know what they're gonna do.
Naayos na.
Gumagana na.
Oo nga, gumagana na raw.
Nakinig ko sa ano ko. Nasaan na si Jundel?
Baba.
Mika, baka nabawasan na ni Mami. Huwag kang magde-depend dyan.
Hindi, sinulat niya, hindi niya bibilangin.
Oh my god. There's a person. Ate, did you buy food? Oh my god.
Sabi ko bumili
What is that on her hand?
kayo?
Ay, note niya. Anong sinet?
Kagulo na naman ang pamilya below.
Oh my God! Adventures ni Mika, nagpagas pa.
Ang daming surprise.
Mura ba ang gas? 104.
Ano naman, lagi naman 104.
Ang galing, hindi tayo magbo-bonfire.
Anong bagong tayo? Ano ba ang native?
Ayan guys, they
Ito
fixed
na
it.
yun.
Sa ano eh. Ito yung pang-camera mo. Maganda yung pang-camera mo. Teka.
Saan ang meron pa ba
Wala pa
ako?
naman tayong double in yun dyan.
Hindi ko alam kung meron pa akong bakit.
Dito lang pala
Yan.
yun.
Yan yung gusto to.
Okay, that's it. I swear, that's it. We're done. We got our furnace back. It's starting to work. Like, I can hear it. It's loud in here again. And yeah, okay, that's it. That's the end of it. I just wanted to show you guys that we fixed it. Like, well, no. like my parents and his friend fixed it. Anyway, that's it. Bye, good night. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to add me on my social media. And yeah, I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.